Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the HiLift Bed Mount. Now before we get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that subscribe button so be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and much more. If you have a 20 or newer Jeep Gladiator and you're looking for a convenient, safe, and secure way to carry your HiLift jack in the bed of your truck, and one that's much better in my opinion than simply throwing the jack back here in the bed of your Gladiator, well, the HiLift Bed Mount is the solution for you. It stores your HiLift jack securely right here along either the driver or passenger side in the bed of your Gladiator, making it very convenient to get easy access to it when you need it, yet storing it away neatly and securely when you're not using it. Now, the mount includes two of their very heavy-duty yet lightweight brackets made from 6061 T6 structural aluminum that are finished in a black anodized coating. Before we can install the brackets into the bed of your Gladiator, it's worth noting that you will need the trail rail system from the factory installed in the bed of your Gladiator for the brackets to work. However, there is no additional cutting or drilling required to install them in your truck. We'll first go ahead and install the rubber pads on the feet of the brackets, and then we can start by pre-installing the bolts through the mounting brackets along with the nut plates. At that point, we can move over to our truck, and of course, if you have any of the existing trail rail tie-down points in your way, you'll want to remove those first, and then we can go ahead and slide each one of the bed mounts into the trail rail, sliding them into their approximate final location. Of course, don't forget to reinstall that factory tie-down point in your trail rail system if you want it installed back on the side rail. At that point, we can go ahead and hand tighten each of the bolts on our bed mounts, and then you will need to test fit your HiLift jack to get the correct spacing before you tighten everything down. Now, HiLift says that they want 16 inches of space between the two mounting brackets, but after that, the final location and the final spacing is really up to you, which is great because it gives you a lot of flexibility in still moving around your different tie-down points on that trail rail system, or maybe even using some other accessories in your trail rail as well. Once you have the final location, we can go ahead and tighten those down with a 5/16 Allen wrench. And then to install the HiLift onto the bed mount brackets, well, it's a simple process of slipping the HiLift over top of the studs on each of the brackets and then securing it in place with the two included knobs. Now, HiLift does include a hook and loop strap to keep your handle secure when your jack is secured on the bed mount. They also offer their handle keeper available separately, made from a high quality polyurethane that simply slips right over the body of your HiLift jack and keeps your handle secure and stood away from the main body of the jack for a very quiet and rattle-free storage solution. In my opinion, no HiLift jack is complete without a handle keeper. Now, if you are looking for a little bit more added security, maybe you don't have a tonneau cover on the bed of your Gladiator, well, you can replace the included knob, one of them anyway, with the HiLift jack hood mount locking knob. It is compatible. It's the same size threads. And we can go ahead and simply thread that right in place here on one of the bed mounts. And once we have that tight, go ahead and grab one of the included keys. Lock that cylinder, which will cause that knob to free spin, preventing anyone from walking off with your HiLift jack when it's stored in the back of your Gladiator. If you guys want to get any more information or to purchase a HiLift bed mount or any of the other accessories I went over today, you can click that info button, head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the bed mount or a HiLift jack, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.